Hello guys, this is Prince. In this video I want to share how I lost that much weight which you have seen in the thumbnail, that's me. So I want to share how it happened. It's quite a miracle for me to lose that much. So I want to share some tips which helped me and may help you as well. So let's begin the video. So basically you may think it happened because of too much exercise or something like that, but I want to make it clear it don't happen by running or something. If your food intake is not right, so doesn't matter how much exercise you will do, still it will not help you that much, still you will look the same. So if you want to see some changes in your body, so you should keep your food in check rather than exercise. Exercise can help, but food is, I think, most important stuff. So think about that. So let's start. What are the changes you should bring in food? So basically 3 things I want to say. Number 1, calorie counting is really important if you can do. I know that it's very difficult and to make this habit, but if you can do that, it would be really great. But if you can't, so let it be. But I was doing calorie counting during that time and I was eating around 2000 calories. Okay, and I will share you the link also, which application I was using for calorie counting, which is available on Play Store. Number 2, I was doing intermittent fasting. Okay, I'll discuss more about intermittent fasting, how I was following that, and still I am following intermittent fasting. And number 3, I was eating low carbohydrate, high protein, high fat foods, foods which are very low in carbs and high in fat or high in protein. So that is really beneficial for you. Carbohydrate rich food are not really good for our body because it spike insulin, and I will discuss more about it. So let's talk first of all about calorie counting. If you count your calories, so maybe you can adjust, maybe you have eaten some amount of calories and you will measure your weight. You can do that for maybe few days, and after that if you can see that your weight is increasing, so it mean you are eating too much calories, more than maintenance calories. So you have to reduce your calorie intake. And if you are eating some specific calories and your weight is decreasing, so I think it means you are on the right track. So keep doing that. So that's why calorie counting is important. Number 2, intermittent fasting. That is you have to eat your food within a specific window and do fasting for other time. So what I was doing, I was eating whatever I wanted to eat before 6:30 in the evening. My last meal was before 6:30. Okay, and after that if you feel hungry, so you can have a lot of water, you can add coffee in that, you can add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, or you can add salt, or you can add lemon as well. These are the things which may curb your hunger that time, and it's not that much time, maybe 6:30. Try to give your body some time when you are not eating. Do not eat throughout the day. It is very hectic for the body and it's very difficult for the body to to cut down your fat, to clean your body. For that you have to go for fasting. Okay, so you can follow this, stop eating after 6:30. Eat whatever you want to eat before that itself. Okay. Number 3, low carbohydrate, high protein, high fat foods. What are the foods which I was taking? I was taking paneer, which is also called that cottage cheese. Number 2, soya chunks. Number 3, eggs. I was having these 3 things majorly. Okay, and other than that I was having milk and curd and a lot of vegetables, vegetable salad, any vegetable. Okay, and you have to limit high carb rich foods, so which are chapati, rice, white sugar. These are the major foods which we usually take in every meal. Try to limit them. Try to limit them, please, so that it will help you to shred some weight or fat. Okay, try to experiment this. This will really work, as you have seen in the photo. Like, it is quite drastic change which I have done within 5-month period. So I think you should give it a shot. So I think this will definitely help you. Other than that, what are the things? If I'm missing something, maybe I will share you in upcoming videos, or maybe I'll share stuff in description. Maybe whatever foods I was eating, in those things I will share. And other than that, what else? Yeah, I was doing exercise, but it is not because of exercise, I want to say. I was not doing jogging. I was doing some push-ups or pull-ups, some basic body weight exercises. And when I lost this weight, gyms were also closed, so I was doing whatever possible at home itself. Okay, so don't think like it happened because of gym. It happened because I changed my eating style. Nowadays it's Diwali time. I cannot able to maintain that discipline as I was following that time during lockdown. I know that it can be difficult, but try to do that. It is not impossible stuff. When you will do it, your body will get used to of this, and you will able to sustain it. So make it a lifestyle. Make it a lifestyle. Like, don't think like you will do it for 3 months or something, and after that you will do whatever you were doing before, when you will lose your body weight, because it will come and go otherwise. You have to follow intermittent fasting. Try to make it a habit. Like, it is really very good for your body, not only for shredding some body weight. It is also good for staying away from many diseases like diabetes and all those stuff. So try to maintain it. And what else should I tell you? Do some exercise, but don't think about it too much. Just keep it right. I will give you that keynotes now, so that you can take the takeaway from this video. That's all, I guess. And I will tell you some more stuff if you have any doubt in upcoming videos, or maybe through comments. So see you soon all, guys. Take care. Love you.